EPA launches new pollution standards that would kick EV sales into overdrive. The EPA today announced new pollution standards that would likely kick electric vehicle sales into overdrive. The new standards are aimed toward creating healthier communities by cleaning up the air, making things like cardiovascular and respiratory illnesses less likely, as they would cut CO2 emissions substantially through 2055. The new standards apply to light, medium, and heavy-duty vehicles, and build upon the already existing emission standards for the light and medium sectors. EPA expected to drop bombshell ICE vehicle regulation. The first set of proposed standards announced on Wednesday is referred to as the multi-pollutant emission standards. For model years 2027 and later light-duty and medium-duty vehicles. Between 2027 and 2055, the standards are expected to avoid 7.3 billion tons of CO2 emissions. This would help reduce the presence of fine particulate matter that could cause premature death, heart attacks, respiratory and cardiovascular illnesses, aggravated asthma, and decreased lung function, the EPA said. The proposal would project that 67% of new light-duty vehicle sales and 46% of medium-duty vehicle sales would be electric by the model year 2032. The light-duty standards alone would reduce projected greenhouse gas emission levels by 56% when compared to the May 2026 standards. Meanwhile, medium-duty vehicle greenhouse gas levels would reduce by 44% when compared to 2026 model year vehicles. Heavy-duty vehicle emission standards would help avoid 1.8 billion tons of CO2 through 2055, an equivalent to eliminating all greenhouse gas emissions from the entire U.S. transportation sector for an entire year. By proposing the most ambitious pollution standards ever for cars and trucks, we are delivering on the Biden-Harris administration's promise to protect people and the planet. Securing critical reductions in dangerous air and climate pollution and ensuring significant economic benefits like lower fuel and maintenance costs for families, EPA Administrator Michael Regan said. These ambitious standards are readily achievable thanks to President Biden's Investing in America agenda, which is already driving historic progress to build more American-made electric cars and secure America's global competitiveness. Other countries are also taking drastic measures to reduce greenhouse gases. The European Union released its Euro 7 emission standards, which are expected to rapidly improve the quality of the environment and increase the number of EVs on the road. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslaupdate.